What's cracking, guys? You know, I never thought I would do like a food challenge, but if you see my video of the ASMR of the Papa John's pizza, yeah, that video. I wasn't really trying to, like do like a time in that video. It was just like for me eating for fun. But now I'm gonna try to beat my record because I think my time of that video is about maybe 23 minutes. I don't remember. But before I get to eating, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. So yeah, basically, large pizza of Papa John's. Yeah. Okay. It's a large pizza, large pepperoni pizza. I'm gonna have to eat everything. I'm gonna eat like the garlic sauce and the little pepper that includes right here. Yeah, that pepper. So that's a good thumbnail. I'm gonna make that as a thumbnail. Thumbnail right there. Yeah. All right. All right. Got my water and everything. I'm gonna eat this. Wait. Let's see if Papa John's will sponsor me. Yeah, I think that's backwards. I don't know, whatever. But we're gonna dominate this pizza. Alright, got my water ready, pizza ready. So we're gonna do this Matt Stoney style. If you guys haven't heard of him, go check out his channel. Link will be in the description. So yeah, we're gonna do everything what he does. You gotta stretch that back and everything. Woo, woo, woo. Alright, I'm ready. Okay, so we got the bandana on just like Matt Stoney. Oh man, shout out to him, And just remember, I'm only doing this for fun. I'm trying to beat my own record. I'm not trying to beat anyone's record or anything. It's just for me. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of cheese on that. Slam that too. Oh, that's a lot. Alright. Alright, it's time to eat. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Man, the way that Matt Stoney does it, he makes it look so easy. But when I'm doing it, I'm like, damn. I don't know. Oh man. Wait, let me get some napkins. Hold up. Still alive. Still alive. Oh man, my jaw is beginning to become sore, like just right here. So I'm chewing fast because I don't really chew this fast, But it's a whole different experience. I'm also really hungry. I haven't eaten Howard. Alright. Oh man, I farted. My bad. Probably didn't hear the fart. You have to turn off the volume to hear my fart. I'm putting more cheese on this. One more factor of cheese. Woo! Alright. Got 3 more slices left. Alright, come on, we can do this. Oh! All that chewing though. Man. Woo! This is actually a workout for my jaw. Yeah. Two more slices, let's go. Let's go. Oh, you know what I forgot? I need to take a bite of that jalapeno they brought me, man. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite of this too. Yeah! Alright. too spicy. It only gets spicy if it lands on your throat. Man, I'm gonna get some chorro after this, man. Yeah, some bad diarrhea. Alright, so I'm almost finished. The jalapeno's kind of hard. Like, I don't think it's ripe yet. Alright, guys, peace. Let's go. Almost done. Almost done, almost done. I keep doing. Oh man. Almost done. Time! Woo! Oh, I'm so full. Whew. Man. Oh, man. Woo. Got the, what's it called? Food baby. What's it called again? Like we go, where you're gonna go about to sleep? Food coma. I ate everything. Yeah. Even the garlic sauce. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video. Make sure to sponsor me, Papa John's, alright? Because, you know, if you do, may I'll keep doing videos like this. You never know. So, with that being said, was it backwards the whole time? Oh well. Ah, man. Alright, hope you guys have a good day. And, whew. Man, I'm pretty sure, like, if Matt Stoney or Furious Pete did this, I'm pretty sure they're gonna obliterate my time. Ah, man. Oh, good as hell. Alright, guys. Peace out.